told you, one of the things the Lord is doing is to restore family altars. That we will come back again and just sit together with our families.
A new dimension has been added to this thing, which is the issue of family altar. Awakening every family, every house becoming a house of worship.
In your house, everybody's son.
You in this season to call your family together. It doesn't end with this meeting. After these 7 days, it should become a routine in your family that you meet at a particular time and you stay with God, just enjoying His presence. And we believe that's one of the things the Lord is doing.